stayed broken down longer than I care to admit to.
I told myself never again would I give my heart to someone else, to someone else.
Then you walked through that door, made all my fears fall to the floor. My heart flew out my chest, and the past got put to rest. Got lost in your every move. I felt like me when I let you in. So it begins. That day you smiled at me, smiled back and said hello. We talked non-stop for hours, almost like I've met you before.
I told myself never again would I give my heart to someone else, to someone else.
Then you walked through that door, made all my fears fall to the floor. My heart flew out my chest, and the past got put to rest. Got lost in your every move. I felt like me when I let you in. So it begins. Now I can't imagine life without you. Every little thing, everything you do. Time stands still, it's all so real. I can't explain how I feel when you walk through that door, made all my fears fall to the floor. Felt a pounding in my chest, and the past got put to rest. Got lost in your every move. That afternoon I let you in. So it begins. So it We all just sit and watch it all go down. Everyone has a front row seat to the greatest show in town. There's so much fight and so many angry words in a world of hurt. Each color taking sides, standing their ground. Who's the right, who's the left, throwing their